Cancer, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is from 16th through 23rd of September 2020. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Cancer, let's start your reading. Let's see what is coming for the Cancerians from 16th to 23rd of September 2020. This is for the Cancerians. Okay. So you really want to talk, Cancerians? Okay. Let's see. I know. I will look at it. Let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Cancer people from 16th through 23rd of September. So let's see. Ooh, wow. So Sun card. So happiness are knocking at your door. Beautiful. Okay, let's see. Six of Wands. So Sun card with the Six of Wands. I'm feeling that you are going to achieve some kind of success. Ten of Pentacles, wow, and you will get money for that. Two of Wands. So this is looking like celebrity, or maybe you are a star, or you wanna be a star, and your wish is going to be true. Okay, King of Pentacles here, Eight of Swords, Ace of Cups, Nine of Cups. So wish card is also here. Nine of Cups, it's beautiful wish fulfillment card. Nine of Pentacles, Fool, Four of Wands. Wow, beautiful. So yeah, maybe this is your person, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, or they are having this energy right now with the Queen of Swords energy. But I'm damn confident that you want happiness with this person. Wow. So maybe this person is famous than you, or they are like the star of the society, or maybe the star of the family, something like that. They are very popular in their friends and family with the Six of Wands energy, and also they have a high position in the society. And you want happiness with your person, you want success with them. It's beautiful. Okay, so with the Ten of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the King of Pentacles, if this is you, then you are going to have the success. Maybe this is you're dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. This person is very stable, very grounded, and they're working on their money, and they're very busy. They are looking forward, they are moving forward in their life and for the stability, and that's it. If you are the more rich than them, if you are the King of Pentacles here, then they want to have that stability for themselves, and I'm feeling that they are very busy within themselves. Like they are with the Nine of Pentacles, they're working on themselves, and they are collecting money, like from their work or business or whatever they're doing. But they're very grounded. They want to be the stable person. Yeah. Okay, with the Eight of Swords, Ace of Cups, and the Nine of Cups, I am feeling that this is you, Cancer. Okay, for some of you, I'm feeling that this is a mutual energy, because they are stable and they want stability more and more and more, like you. Okay, if you are the more rich side, so they want more stability like you, but they are not comparing themselves by putting them in a frame of yours. No. They are working on themselves, and they want to be stable. That's it. But they want success within their lives, and as you, because you also want success within yourself and within your life. And I'm feeling that they are getting more and more appreciation from the world as well, and they are actually getting that appreciation, and you are right now starting that, because sun is new, so you are newly in this field maybe, and they are the more experienced right now. Okay, I hope you're getting my point. Okay, so with the 8 of swords, ace of cups, and the 9 of cups, because ace and 9 is equals 10 of cups, which is beautiful twin flame energy. Okay, so I'm feeling that this person is in your thoughts continuously. You cannot let this person go from your thinking, from your mind, from your environment, even if this person is not present. So maybe you want to give them your ace of cups, your true love, because this person is your wish fulfillment. I'm feeling that you are not, this person is not in your contact. They are not contact with you. They are not in contact with you. So that's why you are feeling bound. You are feeling stuck. Like, how can I approach this person? Why is this person not interested in me right now? Maybe something has happened in the past. That's why they are not looking at you. They are continuously moving forward and looking forward for something stable, new, and long term. Okay, so with the 9 of pentacles, fool, and the 4 of wands, I'm feeling that this person is really working on themselves. They really want a new life. With the fool card, maybe they have gone through some kind of change in their life, and something is totally new for them right now, and by being in this path, they are going to meet their true soulmate. Maybe it's you, maybe it's them, I don't know, but they are going to. You want second chance with this person. I'm feeling like this, because of the strong attraction, because of the strong passion you're having for this person. You want a new chance for this connection. You want a second chance, new opportunities. Yeah, and this is your wish, Cancer. So let's see, what is the 6 of wands here? The cards are like flying for you. Okay, 6 of wands for the Cancerians. Okay, yeah. Knight of swords. Okay, what is this? 2 of cups. Wow. And what is this? 10 of wands, Knight of swords. Okay, so this is you, Cancer. I'm feeling this is you. You have true love for them, they have true love for you, but they are very focused on themselves, because maybe in the past they were the person only working for this connection, and you were not, and that's why they are putting this burden down right now, because they think that the connection doesn't grow. The connection didn't grow in the past. That's why now they want to put this burden on. Maybe they have ended this in their mind, in their thoughts. That's why they are not in contact with you, but you want communication with the Knight of Swords energy, because you love them, and this is also passion for them. This is your passion for them. Okay, with the 10 of wands, you are very passionate for this person. Okay, what is this 2 of wands there for the Cancerians? Hierophant, 2 of swords, King of swords. Yeah. This person is waiting for something. With the 3 of wands energy, maybe they are waiting for some kind of, because their mind is more in the pentacles and the business and the work, so maybe they are waiting for some kind of business project, a business deal, business meeting, I don't know, but something related to their work. So with the King of Swords energy, they are very determined. So right now they are blocking any kind of love commitment, maybe, but commitment is coming. Maybe with the 2 of wands and 2 of swords, I'm feeling that they are really open. They're really open to everything. With the 9s present here, They wanna complete some kind of chapters of their life. They wanna starting something new. So definitely they are in receiving energy because they are the Fool here. They are ready to taking any kind of leap of faith for themselves only. Okay, I'm feeling that they're not thinking about you. Maybe in the past they were just continuously thinking about you. You were the center of their world, center of their attention, but now they are focusing on themselves. With the Hierophant, they are building up a very strong connection with the divine, and that's why maybe they are not uh, focusing on their heart chakra as well, but they're they are very focused on their spiritual journey and also their stability, their money. What is the Eight of Swords here? Eight of Swords, Star, Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this person has healed themselves and now they are feeling very light. With the Knight of Wands energy, they are feeling very excited, and maybe this is a younger older situation going on because we have the Kings here and this is a Knight. So definitely we have two Knights here, Knight of Swords and the Knight of Wands. I'm feeling that this person has gone through their from their healing, and they are now healed person. You are the person now going through your healing. You need to go from this experience. Maybe you are the Knight of Wands before. You are not very serious before for the relationship, for the connection, for the commitment, and that's why universe is teaching you a lesson that decide what you want and be serious for them, be determined for that thing. Okay, what is this Nine of Cups here? Knight of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, Temptation. Yeah, you were very happy with this person. You were feeling very content with this person, and this person too, they were feeling happy with too as well, but the connection was not growing. See, this is the Knight of Pentacles energy, which is very slow, very like snail pace energy. Yeah, and with the Temptation, this is the Devil of the Tarot. Maybe both of you were karmically connected. Maybe the person, you have love for them and you wanna get the second chance from them is your karmic person. But we have the Twin Flame cards as well, so maybe this person is your karmic and your twin as well, because we can have the karmics and the twins at the same time. Okay, we can. So this person has a purpose for your life. Okay, they are in your life for a very important purpose. Maybe both of you are maybe twin and you have a purpose for other people to teach them something very important. So for that mission you need to be in this union. So maybe you are the person now, you need to be healed. You need to heal more. Okay, if you have some kind of karmic patterns within yourself, just heal that. Because with the Star and with the Temptation, you can overcome that karmic pattern of yours. You can heal it. Okay, what is this Fool here? What is this Fool here for the Cancerians? Moon, this is your card, and also for Pisces. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Wow, so we have three aces here except of the Ace of Swords. Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. Wow, see, So I can feel that you have a love for them. You wanna give them that stability which they are wishing in the past from you, and you have passion for them as well. Okay, so this is the vibe I'm getting, Cancer. Maybe you are now you want to offer them stability and passion, and they this is hidden for them. Like they this is maybe you are planning a surprise for them, maybe, and they don't know. And after, because this is, I was clarifying the Fool, so this is a whole new chapter for them and for you as well. Yeah, so you are planning a surprise and they don't know. Beautiful. This is I have for you, Cancerian. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.